Hey, this is Shell with Reality Check TV Sacramento, and I have an in-studio special guest. We have Travis here from Conceived in Chaos, and now touring bassist for Alpha Complex. So welcome.
Hello. Welcome.
Thanks for being here.
No problem.
Oh God, this is like take 72 because apparently I can't remember Travis's name now. You know, you don't even know. There's so many retakes. When you come up to, I've interviewed you with your band, and you know, you're at like some next level stuff, meaning that you're, you know, wearing a couple hats. And so gearing up for this tour, what's the practices like? Do you practicing with two bands? Because I know that they're going to have a special show, which I do want you to in a minute shout that out. You won't be there,
Right.
but you know, it's still your band. So what's practices like now, mixing the hats?
It's pretty hectic. We have I'm doing 3-4 practices a week. 2 with Alpha Complex, 2 with CIC, getting our buddy Steven Baker ready for our show August 13th at the Boardwalk.
Okay.
Ready.
So you're right there with him, teaching him, you know, does he follow your lead? Take us through it, because I mean, I think your audience and your friends kind of want to know a little some inside stuff when you are doing practice. What's it like? Let's talk about Conceived first, and then we'll go into Alpha Complex.
Okay. Well, with Conceived, it's actually really cool because with Steven coming in, he was a big fan of the band beforehand, so he actually came in knowing, I would say, about 75% of our songs already. And
he's been to your shows because he's a fan,
yeah,
so he knows the
been to
flavor
our shows, and he knows what we're about. He actually filled in for me the last tour that I was out with the
He knows
Alpha
Arian's
Complex.
all over the stage.
Oh yeah.
You got to know that where your singer is, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, me and Arian running through each other a lot. Side note, but
so that's cool. So you're getting him into trend. Do you feel he's ready? Is he ready for
Oh,
that
yeah.
August show?
Oh, yeah,
Because
he's
we're going to be
definitely
there
ready.
full staff for you. Just, you know, well, full staff meaning me and Kev, because you know I don't know what's going on with everything else, but we'll be there for sure.
oh yeah.
So Alpha Complex, you know, we know that some of the people know, just kind of speak to, you know, you had a conundrum there, but the thing that's cool about, if you want to make a positive into a negative, you reached out to the music community and they really came through for you guys. Trailer's still running good?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
And you made some, I feel like you guys made some different friends there too, because I mean, you had to reach out and buy the trailer, right? And they had to like meet somebody there, and you know, I think there was probably a ploy for like compassion. He wasn't trying to rob you. He wasn't trying to get top dollar,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
And so I think that's kind of cool how you guys were able to survive something like that. So you're going to take this on this current tour?
Oh yeah, we're gonna be taking it on this current tour.
Cool.
We have it and a new RV we're working
Oh,
with
okay.
for this next tour instead of the Jeep. So it's. gonna
Let's
be
talk
more
about
fun.
touring. Do you have somebody that's in charge of, okay, this, I know you have a set destination of shows, obviously pre-booked, but sometimes in between, you don't know where you're staying, right? We were talking about that earlier.
Mhm.
So who pre-plans that? Give them a shout out, thank you, you know? Or is it different?
It's Jolene,
Okay.
the pretty much band manager at TAC. She does all the getting us KOAs, Walmarts to stay at, hotels once in a while. And,
Right, because you hope to get one at least once a week, right? It's just so you can rinse off?
oh yeah, the hotels are pretty much not for sleeping; it's for showering.
Sure. And then what about just the old-fashioned jump in the river when you can? Do you bring shorts
Oh, yeah.
and just go for that, right?
Oh yeah,
On
all
the
the
day
time.
offs?
Especially when we're camping, just wake up, go bathe off in the
So
lake.
talk about camping. Are you camping meaning like in the van or the RV? Or are you actually tenting it in the wilderness?
Both actually.
Okay.
We'll stay in the car. At
Are you got an
Walmart
air
sometimes.
mattress or are you just like right on the dirt?
Pretty
Little-
comfortable actually. Air mattress. Everybody
Okay.
has their own little tent. You know.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I hope that, I know that you guys documented a little bit, but I'm really looking forward to this current tour's documentation of you know, I mean, obviously Facebook Live's a big thing now.
Oh, yeah.
And the thing I like about Facebook Live is that you cannot alter it. It is live right there, and you have to push, you know, you have to push like, okay, to make it post. So there it's done. It's permanent record there.
Yep,
You're not
it's
going
there.
back and re-editing it. It's just whatever it is.
It's
and
live and raw.
so I'm looking forward to some of your guys' shenanigans and stuff. Do you know offhand some of the different places, or is that too hard? Just maybe just refer them to the website?
Yeah, offhand,
Okay.
I know a few of the places. We're going to be playing
Name
at
drop a
Other
few then.
Place in Modesto this Friday night. And
Oh,
And
This will be
Jub
up
Jub's
before
in
Friday for
Reno.
sure.
Yeah, I'm bad with dates, but we're gonna be playing Jub Jubs in Reno,
Okay.
Aftershock in Kansas City.
Do you
and
know
a few
about Jub
others.
Jubs in Reno? Is this like off the beat in Reno? Because I'm not familiar with the different clubs, or is it right on the strip? Or
I don't know. I've never played there. I know it's a pretty relatively new club. I think it came out in 2015.
okay, so maybe it's
Like,
for the locals. See, because there's
Yeah.
I know there's two different areas. There's the mainstream, and then there's the off the beat. You know, kind of like in Sacramento, like locals would go to like the Starlight or something, right?
Yeah.
You know, or maybe the Cafe Colonial. You know, other people they wouldn't know about that. You
Yeah.
know? So you know what I've been thinking about. I'm like trying to like do a comparison of what I think. You know, what's happening here in my mind's eye is that you're gun for hire. You know, and you got your baby, which is Conceived in Chaos, and now you're the tour bass guy, because who's the regular guy that's on with Alpha Complex?
Brian.
Brian, okay. Shout outs to Brian, you know, awesome, because the transition and then teaching, you know, he's right there with you following, you know. Tell me about your guys' practices when you guys were learning together. Do you play the bass at the same time with him and you were kind of like picking it up that way? How does that work?
Oh yeah, well, we'd play at the same time. A lot of the time I would sit down and tab out what he was playing, and then we would do it at the same time.
Okay.
And I would even record what he's playing with my phone and go back and just play with him.
Okay.
Until I got it.
Right, that's kind of cool. That's really cool. So you only have footage of that on your phone? There's
yeah,
no
I
like
think
underground video?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to, Reality Checks needs to come out there, you know, maybe when you guys come back, you know. How long are you gonna be gone?
It's a 3-leg tour. We're
Okay.
leaving this Friday, July 29th for 2 months, and then there's gonna be 2 more legs that span out for the rest of 2016.
Oh man, shout outs to Bay Area band Toy Called God, because they're ending their tour on July 30th on the Y. And so we're going to come out, so you're just missing them by a day.
Yeah.
That would have been really cool, because Patrick is like, I mean, you know who
Yeah, I know Patrick.
Yeah. So I'd like to see you guys, you know, I mean,
Okay.
I know you can't speak for Alpha Complex or anything like that, but, you know, shout out to Michael, you know, hit up Toy Called God, because I think we need to get some more Bay Area people blending their stuff, especially if we do
coming out, yeah.
future music festivals and stuff. So what's the big goal when you're out on tour? Obviously, it's marketing, right? And I know you can't really speak to Alpha Complexes, you know, because you know you're on that level yet. But for you, what's your strategy? You know, do you like? Because I know you're hands-on in Sacramento. I mean, props to Travis, and I can't say it enough to you young bands. If you want to know how to get on any kind of free media or get on to different venues, just once you hit up the Alpha Complex, and because I mean Conceived in Chaos, okay? Because you guys have, you know, you don't want to give all your secrets away, but man, you have some step-by-step tools. So do you implement that strategy that you do to make connections, you know, really personal? Because I mean, you want to be remembered.
Yeah,
for sure.
absolutely. When I'm out there on the road with Alpha, I've got a big stack of Conceived in Chaos CDs in my hand.
And that's
stickers.
cool. They don't mind you doing that, obviously, cross
Oh no,
promotion.
Mike's super supportive of it.
That's cool. That's cool. You know, Mike, you sweetheart. You know, I love his old band that he was into, you know, and hopefully, you know, it's like, I don't know. It's like whenever you're with a band from before, I always remember.
Yeah.
You know, you have that face, but it's really, you know, you take that talent and you just go to the next group and stuff. So, you know, before we end this, I just want to take a little moment. I don't know if we have the music that's proper for this, but, you know, I don't know, cameraman, if you can zoom into Travis's face, but, you know, I want to talk about sponsorship. And for only 27 cents a day, you too can sponsor a musician, okay? Travis is a gun for hire, and right now he's working with Alpha Complex, and he's got a 3-leg tour. So we figured out that's about $24 and something cents. We'll just round it up to $25, so for 27 cents as a minimum package, okay? You know, you could do a one-time love offering, you know, of whatever amount is good for you, or you can do that. You can check the box for the 27-cent package, or you can just double it, you know, or fill it in. However you want to serve. We're just hoping that you can sponsor Travis on this tour. Now, I can't speak for Alpha. I'm sure they have their own representations, you know, for, you know, if you want to put it in the general fund, but, you know, Travis needs $10 a day, and if he can get so many people, I didn't do the math with that. How many people at 27 cents? Oh, okay, so 25, let's just say 4, that's $1. So Oh my gosh, you know, how many is
25
that?
people.
25
I think.
people. If we can get 25 people, Travis can eat. Okay? That's all we're asking. All right. And finally, how do we find you? You know, is there some kind of a tour website to get a hold of the Alpha Complex during this process?
For the Alpha Complex, a lot of the communication is through Facebook, and if you're looking for tour dates, everything is up to date on
Okay.
Bands in Town.
Okay. And what about Conceived in Chaos?
And Conceived in Chaos, same thing, Bands in Town, and also www.conceivedinchaos.com.
Who's also, just real quick, playing with that show in August with Conceived?
It is Damage Over Time, White Minorities, Hita Damage, Derm, and we also have a touring act from Reno joining us called 12 Gauge Facelift.
Okay, well, how many bands is that? Now I'm going to talk shit.
6.
Okay.
It's a typical metal show.
Okay, it's going to be off the hook, okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right, well, stay tuned for that. Thanks for your time, Travis.